Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Suburban. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855167. As a quick side note, this mount does also fit the Chevy Tahoe and the GMC Yukons. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First is this mount does use some double-sided adhesive here and here. You want to peel those blue covers off before you attach the mount to the dash. That tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing is make sure you install the mount to the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. Now this mount, there are two seams it goes into. The first is here. It's between the hard vent flashing and the softer part of the dash here. The second is between that same vent flashing on this side and the hard silver part here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this included gap opener and we're going to insert it into this seam just to open it up enough so that we can get the mount in. Now we're going to take this angled edge and we're going to go into that same seam. And once we're in, you got to kind of rotate the mount until that edge slips behind this piece of the dash. So now that we're in there, now we can just take our thumbs and press on this side of the mount to get it into this seam over here. Now that the mount's in place, we have a nice stable mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.